Hi friends, today we're testing 3 no glue slime recipes. So easy, you can do it yourself at home with only 2 ingredients each. Let's get started with slime recipe 1. Gotta give it a good tap, otherwise it's not a slime ASMR. For this recipe, we're literally just using hand wash and shampoo. Using a really good amount of shampoo, I squirted some into a test pot. I have seen others using hand wash as sort of a slime activator, so we're going to try that today. I can see the slime getting thick already, so I'm actually excited about this one. She's already got a good color. I like that pink, so don't need to add any coloring to it. And we're going to put her in the fridge for an hour or 2 hours next to the veggies and see how she turns out. Welcome to my kitchen. Now for slime recipe 2. I'm kind of just making up these slime recipes as I go, so I found this vitamin E shampoo that nobody used and it's got a thick consistency, so I think it might be good for this no glue slime recipe. All these products, you should be able to find them at your local supermarket. Now to add in the DIY slime activator, baby oil. Baby oil! That baby oil actually left some black marks all over my table. I'm not sure how well the baby oil is going to work as a slime activator. Adding some more shampoo because I don't think there's enough, and there's not enough color, so we're adding purple. I love this metallic pigment powder. It makes slime so much nicer. Popping this slime pot in the fridge right next to the other one. They are chilling with my veggies.
Bloody hella.
For slime recipe number 3, we're going back and using the same old pink shampoo because I think it's better than the vitamin E one. And I've seen people use table salt or iodized salt as a slime activator, so we're going to try that. Let's give it a mixy and see if it'll thicken up. Apparently, if the shampoo has sodium benzoate in it, it will work for a slime. The slime is looking thick like jelly already. I think this one might work. It's lacking a bit of color though, so gonna add some more of that metallic pigment powder into it. And I actually put that one into the cupboard instead of the fridge. There she is, just chilling. So let's check out the results of this after 2 hours in the fridge. Move, veggies! Taking the slime test pots to my office so we can have a proper look at them without any noise in the background. And here are the results. If you end up trying any of these recipes yourself, please leave a comment and let me know how it goes for you. I think the slime looks really pretty. But does it work as a DIY no glue slime? Now for the second DIY slime recipe. Wow! This one is even better than the first one. She's thick like jelly. Yes, this one worked too. And for the last one, shampoo and baby oil. Damn, that one's way too runny. 2 out of 3 recipes worked as a DIY slime recipe. What should we try next? Comment down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.